For this project, I chose to research anxiety disorders, and the ill-structured problem I came up with was, how can we help students with anxiety disorders concentrate in school? Anxiety disorders are among the most prevalent of psychiatric problems for youth, affecting about 6 to 11% of school-age children. So with this in mind, we know that at some point in our teaching career, if not already, we will have a student that lives with an anxiety disorder and we want to support them the best that we can. Symptoms of anxiety disorders may include excessive worry, inability to relax, as well as physical symptoms such as heart palpitations, fatigue, nausea, etc. As teachers, it's important that we support students with anxiety disorders by providing them with opportunities to calm down and refocus. This will benefit their well-being as well as their academic success because it will allow them to concentrate on their schoolwork and hopefully reduce their anxiety overall. To support students with anxiety disorders, I recommend the Calm app. In the Calm app, there is a sleep, meditation, and music section. These are all audios. So for classroom purposes, I recommend meditation and music. And in the meditation section, you can specifically select the kids category, which has a variety of meditations that are grouped by age range. For music, there is not a kids section, but there are several different types of music that would be appropriate for children, one of them being lullabies. There's another category called relax. I think that either of these would be good options because they're not long, and they would provide a calming experience for the students. One affordance of this technology or this app is that it is very easy for children to use, so they can use it on their own and make the choice during the day when they need to step away and use the Calm app without disrupting the rest of the class. A constraint of the Calm app is that it is all audio, so it might be difficult for some students to concentrate without something to look at. However, this might not be an issue for everyone. The Calm app also aligns with the Universal Design for Learning because it provides options for recruiting interest. When using the app, students have the choice what they want to listen to as well as when they need to use it. It also minimizes threats and distractions because the audio on the app is soothing and intended to help students calm down and refocus. Listening to the audio with headphones should also help block out distractions. I believe the Calm app would work for students with anxiety disorders because it would give them an opportunity to relax and refocus their body and mind. Those with anxiety disorders are often consumed by worry, so this app would help calm them down and allow them to focus on learning so they can be more successful inside the classroom and hopefully feel more at peace outside of the classroom as well.